Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a try-on haul featuring CUPSHE. Alright, so a huge shout out to CUPSHE for partnering with me on this video. They are running like the most epic Black Friday sale ever. They have up to 85% off, plus you can save an extra 15% on orders over $65 with my code KF15. You guys know I've worked with CUPSHE since, oh my gosh, it's been over a year now since I've worked with them. I fell in love with their swimsuits, but they have so much more. They've expanded to so many different clothing options, and I'm excited to share with you what I picked up headed into those winter cooler months. We moved to Illinois this past this year, not this past year, this year, and I just needed some more everyday warm clothes. I know I kept like my big winter jackets from forever, but I needed just some like everyday casual warm clothes. So I hopped over to CUPSHE and they did not disappoint. So all of the links for everything will be in the description box down below. Their sale, I will also have the details and the dates on the screen as well as in the description box down below. You do not want to miss out. I know there are so many good ones to shop, but this one is amazing. They have so many different items on the site, but if there is something that you see from my video that you are specifically curious about, I will have all of the specific items linked down below, as well as the size that I decided to get myself. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna show you all the pieces and do a little try on to show you how I would wear / style the pieces that I picked up. All right, so this first piece is by far, it's one of my favorites. Okay, I think it might be my favorite. I think this is just so versatile. I showed it just styled one way in this video though, just super casual with a black long sleeve and some jeans. But this little, like, it's kind of like a Cardigan. It's thick, but it's not like super thick like a jacket. It's kind of like a shacket. Duh, Kelly. It's a shacket. I love this tan color. It's super long and nice. At first I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna use these or if I'm gonna take the little like rope off, but I love cinching it in the back. It gives you more of that defined waist, but you could also pair this with like tights and boots and wear the tie like tied up around in the front. So cute. Again, just so versatile. I feel like I can wear this a million different ways. I love the caramel like khaki color, and then the little tortoiseshell buttons are super cute. So I'm so happy I picked this up. I know I'm gonna wear this a million times because the color is super neutral, the quality is really nice, and I really love this jacket. It's not quite a trench coat, but it's got that same sort of trench coat look, but more of that like casual shacket. You could wear that chilling around the house and be good to go. This next one, they're a tie for my favorites, okay? This is one of those teddy bear jackets, and I love this. Again, same kind of color, a little bit deeper and darker. Literally looks like a teddy bear. So fluffy. It's nice and like squishy and plush. I love this. Again, can just be worn so many different ways, but the primary reason I wanted this is for warmth, and it's a casual warm jacket. So absolutely love this. Again, it has the tortoiseshell buttons in the front, which are super cute. Some pocket detailing up at the top, and I just love this. I feel like a living teddy bear when I wear this, and I'm sure Arlo's gonna call me a teddy bear, but it's so cute, and I'm so happy I have this. I don't have that many shackets in my wardrobe in general, but I liked these because they're not like wild and crazy. They're kind of pretty neutral. This next one's a bit more wild and crazy, but still super neutral because it's black and white. This thing is so soft and so cozy. It's the same material in and out. I love this. It's giant checkers of black and white. Just such an easy way to take a black t-shirt and just elevate it with warmth by throwing this on. It's got two big pockets up in the front. I'm in love with this. It is so soft, so cozy. It has just like snap button closure, so you can, you know, button it all the way up for warmth, or you can leave it like open for like a jacket outfit situation. You could dress this up with a leather skirt and some tights, or you could wear it just with jeans and a long sleeve. Love this. It's kind of got a curved hem down at the bottom, nothing crazy, but a little bit of a curve. And this is just like, you're wrapped up in a blanket soft. It is so nice. So I absolutely love this piece, and I'm so happy I snagged it for my winter wardrobe. Then we got a couple of sweaters. I got this guy right here. I really liked the color detailing on this, very Thanksgiving-esque, you know, but just a standard cardigan, open with no buttons, does have small pockets. In the front, it's got black, red, yellow, and it's all on this base of like a creamy kind of oatmeal-y color. Super nice. Again, just an easy thing to throw on when you feel like your outfit needs just a little bit of extra something. That's what I've really been gravitating towards with cardigans, and obviously the extra layer of warmth with this, but I did really like the colors on this. I feel like it can go with white underneath, or it can go with black, which is what I chose to do, and I really love this. Okay, the other sweater I got was this super oversized kind of cowl neck. It's not really a turtleneck because it doesn't hug the neck, which I really enjoy. So this is just a black oversized cowl neck sweater. It does have these really cute little tortoiseshell buttons. Again, just really nice detail. Not sheer, it has like a good weight to it. It's really quite fluffy, so I do feel like it keeps you really warm. It does go down. I like to just kind of put the like waistline where it cinches, just tuck it up a little bit. I just feel like that fit looks better with high-waisted jeans in my opinion, but I layer like something like this underneath it just for extra warmth, and so you don't have to like worry about your stomach hanging out if you don't love cropped things. But you could wear this full length as well. I just love the way it looks cropped, but like the big cowl neck, black, you cannot go wrong with a good black sweater. So absolutely love this, and the small details of the buttons on the sleeves I just feel like make it look a little nicer. So absolutely love this guy and happy I picked this up. Okay, you guys know I live for a good sweatshirt, casual sort of look. I wear them to the gym over like my like sports bra and leggings every morning, so I'm always in rotation trying to find new ones that I really love. And I also love them for just lounging around in like joggers, or even you could pair this with jeans. So I loved the look of this sort of collared sweater. It's kind of got like this slightly acid wash vibe to it, which I really quite like. It's got that lived in, super cozy, comfy feel, which it's nice and fuzzy inside. It's got the button details, and it's kind of got this color. You could lay it flat over, or you could leave it up, which is what I prefer to do. I think it's super cute. It's the right amount of cropped. It's not like show your belly cropped, it's like hits your waist. So I really enjoy that. I think the fit of it's super nice. The sleeves are long, perfect, and they have a little bit of an oversized slouchy fit to them, which I really look for in a sweater, or a sweatshirt. So I really love this one. It comes in a couple other colors, I believe, but I liked this blue. I typically go for blues for sweatshirts. I just feel like, I don't know, they're like my favorite colors. I feel like they're pretty neutral and go with everything. So super happy I picked this up and wanted just like a cozy, comfy, easy. I might actually wear this on the airplane when we travel to New York for Christmas with a pair of joggers, super cute, and sneakers, and you're good to go. But I love this extra little fun bit that the collar with the buttons has to offer. I think it makes it just extra, I don't know, just a little extra, and I love it. All right, I also did pick up a sweater dress, and I don't have a ton of sweater dresses. I'm not always the biggest dress girl, but every once in a while it's nice to just not have to think about multiple things and just throw on a dress and go. So this one I thought would be perfect for that. It's gray, which can't go wrong with a good neutral gray sweater dress. I got this and with the hopes of wearing it really casually with like a baseball cap and a blazer or like a denim jacket or something, just to kind of make it a little more casual. You could totally dress it up though with like thigh-high boots or tights and boots. Love this. I did want more of an oversized fit. I didn't want it to be super tight and hugging to all those. I don't love dresses like that. I don't like bodycon sort of dresses. So this is the perfect amount of oversized in my opinion. If you want more of a tighter fitted style, then go ahead and size down, but just not too much because it is not a long dress. It's kind of like a mid-thigh dress. Not too short by any means, but if you size too much down, it might be. But this would look super cute with like a shirt dress underneath it, like a button-up shirt dress would look so cute under here as well. So absolutely love this, and I'm happy that I picked this up. Just a super casual, basic sweater dress. So I like being able to layer with it, and that was my intentions when I bought it. So happy I grabbed this guy. And then the last piece that I picked up were a pair of pants, and these are like a brown corduroy. These are the softest things I've felt in my entire life. I would say go true to size with these guys. In my opinion, that's what I did. I think these fit nicely around the waist and offer like a good roomy bit in the legs, and the length is on me absolutely perfect. I thought these again would just be a nice option instead of wearing jeans. I don't know, sometimes jeans, if you're hanging around the house like for family events or something like that, can feel kind of too constricting, so I wanted something like this to add. And these are just like really like kind of like a trouser like material, but they have this soft overlay of corduroy over the top, which I think is so cute, and this brown is perfect for the fall season. So I'm happy that I added these to my wardrobe. I feel like corduroys are like coming back, textured things like that are coming back. So I absolutely love these, and I'm happy that I snagged these. So again, you do not want to miss out on the CUPSHE Black Friday haul. Again, they're going to have up to 85% off, and you can use my code KF15 to save additional on top of that. So again, all of the items that I specifically mentioned will be linked down below with direct links. So you can find exactly what you're looking for if you liked something that I showed in my video. But if not, they have something for everyone. They have the biggest site with so much to choose from, and they still do have swimsuits. So if you're headed on a winter vacation, good for you. I'm really happy for you. Super jealous. But check them out as well. They are some of my favorite places to get bathing suits from. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Big shout out to CUPSHE for partnering with me to share with you about their huge Black Friday sale. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.